Your mood is better. Your body feels stronger. And yes, your intimate life starts to feel like it did decades ago. More confident, more consistent, more satisfying. Sounds impossible? What if I told you that millions of men over 60 are already experiencing this? Not because of expensive pills, risky injections, or hormone therapies, but because of three simple fruits that cost pennies and are available in almost every grocery store. Fruits that can start shifting your body in as little as 2 weeks. Here's a shocking truth. After age 60, testosterone naturally drops about 1 to 2% per year. But poor diet and low circulation can accelerate that decline dramatically. And circulation, meaning blood flow to the places that matter, can drop 30–40% in sedentary older men. That directly impacts energy, confidence, performance, mood. But science shows targeted natural foods can reverse a large part of that damage without prescriptions. Today, we're breaking down three fruits that form a powerful trio for men over 60. One red fruit that boosts blood flow. One green fruit that rebuilds your testosterone foundation. One yellow fruit that provides steady energy while protecting your arteries. One red fruit that boosts blood flow. One green fruit that rebuilds your testosterone foundation. One yellow fruit that provides steady energy while protecting your arteries. Stay tuned, because by the end you'll know exactly how to use them, plus real success stories and the science behind why they work so well together. At first, the red fruit, pomegranate. This isn't exotic. You can find it in most supermarkets, especially in fall and winter. Or just grab unsweetened pomegranate juice year-round. What makes pomegranate so powerful? It's loaded with polyphenols, plant compounds that act like natural fuel for your blood vessels. They boost nitric oxide, the molecule that tells your arteries to relax and widen. When you're over 60, low nitric oxide and stiff arteries are often the silent causes behind low energy, weak mornings, circulation problems, and yes, performance struggles. A randomized double-blind study in the International Journal of Impotence Research, 2007, showed men with mild to moderate erectile issues who drank about 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily improved their scores in just weeks, without drugs. Researchers noted better blood flow and reduced oxidative stress in the vessels. And for prostate health, pomegranate has anti-inflammatory effects that may help with prostate swelling. Some studies have even shown slower PSA rise in men using pomegranate extract. In real life, men report fewer nighttime bathroom trips, better flow, more comfort and confidence. I remember a man in his early 70s, let's call him Mike. He felt old, tired, and low on confidence. He started drinking 6 to 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily. In 3 weeks, he noticed stronger mornings, more steady energy, deeper sleep, fewer nighttime bathroom visits. His wife said he seemed like himself again. That's not magic. That's biology responding to real nutrients. My honest take? Pomegranate isn't flashy, but it's one of the best natural circulation boosters out there. If you have heart or blood pressure concerns, it can complement your routine. Just check with your doctor. Better flow equals better everything. Next, the green fruit. Avocado. If there's one food I wish every man over 60 would eat daily, it's avocado. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy fats your body uses to build hormones, including testosterone. When your natural production dips after 60, giving your body the right building blocks matters. Avocados also provide magnesium, zinc, vitamin B6. These nutrients help keep testosterone from converting into estrogen, reduce cortisol, stress hormone, support better hormone balance. Studies on Mediterranean-style diets, which include lots of avocados, show improved testosterone, better muscle maintenance, and improved mood. One analysis found men consuming more monounsaturated fats had higher free testosterone than low-fat diets, and boron in avocados has been linked to quick increases in free testosterone in smaller studies. Let me tell you about Henry, 68. He felt flat, low drive, irritable, and couldn't sleep well. He started eating half an avocado daily, either on toast or in a smoothie. After a month, he reported steadier energy, better sleep, improved mood, and renewed drive. He said it felt like someone flipped the switch back on. From my perspective, avocado isn't just food. It's foundational support for hormonal vitality. It helps your body produce and maintain natural testosterone without shutting down your system like synthetic options can. Finally, the yellow fruit, banana. Don't underestimate this humble fruit. Bananas are a powerhouse for energy and heart protection in men over 60. A medium banana contains about 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, which helps relax blood vessels and keep blood pressure stable. They also contain magnesium, B vitamins, tryptophan, helps mood and sleep. Harvard nutrition experts highlight bananas as one of the best potassium sources. Higher potassium intake is linked to lower blood pressure, better cardiovascular resilience, improved energy stability. Bananas also help prevent the energy crashes that make you reach for coffee or snacks. One review found consistent fruit intake, including bananas, improved physical performance and reduced fatigue in older adults. Walter, 73, used to crash after breakfast. He added one banana daily, sometimes with peanut butter. Within weeks, he had consistent energy, brighter mood, more engagement and playfulness. That energy boost improves relationships too. When your energy returns, your life lights up. Bananas are cheap, portable, and available everywhere. They protect arteries and fuel your cells, giving you real stamina, not fake highs. Why these three work better together? Here's the magic. These fruits form a nutritional triangle. Pomegranate improves circulation. Avocado rebuilds hormone foundations. Banana locks in steady energy. Together, they fight the three biggest killers of vitality after 60. 1. Poor blood flow. 2. Hormonal imbalance. 3. Energy instability. Men who combine them often report stronger mornings, more confidence, better mood, improved stamina, more consistent performance. One man in his late 60s said his body felt like it remembered how to function optimally. It's not about fighting aging. It's about giving your body what it needs to thrive. Small daily habits compound massively. Better energy leads to better posture, better confidence, and stronger relationships. Final message. If you're over 60 and tired of feeling less than, start here. Every day for 2-4 weeks, try pomegranate juice or seeds, half an avocado, one banana. Consistency is everything. Your body isn't broken. It just needs the right inputs. These fruits provide natural support without side effects, without expensive treatments, and with real science behind them. What happens when you feed your body this trio daily? you stop declining and start reclaiming your strength, drive, and joy. Call to action. Which fruit are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. And if this helped you, share it with a friend who needs this. More content is coming on key minerals that can turbocharge these fruits even further. Stay strong. You've got this.